Guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Self-Care Official. Here am I, guys. I'm in my backyard garden planting some seeding, some vegetable seeding. Guys, come and let me show you what's going on. Yes, my backyard garden. Yes, my backyard garden is not that huge, just a little section in the backyard. There are just planting for the very first time, you know, some cabbage, yes, in the earth here. Never do it before, but trying my best so them for them to come. So I have carrot, I have cabbage, I have corn, and I have escallion. I did planted escallion before in a container and they did came. So I'm trying now to get them into the earth and see how well they does, how well they will be, or they will come. So let's go look, guys. Take a look here. What is going on? So to water my vegetable. Yes, so there I'm pouring some water in the holes. Yeah, yeah. So guys, like the video, share the video, guys. Yes, like the video and share. Share it to a friend, share it to your family members. Yes, guys. Thanks for watching. That's how it goes, guys. So this is the cabbage section. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all. Love and respect. Peace out.